So, just finished listening to Dr. Steven Gundry's podcast. Listened to him for a few years, and he's got over 30 years of clinical practice within surgery, ICU, general practice, and his main point is about how a lot of internal health is prescribed by what we do, what we eat, how we live, and his point is about how health should come from within, and he deals at the business end where he's having to deal where health hasn't come from within, and so obviously there has to be external forces to try and mitigate what's going on. And his point is, and he was just talking about nutrition, and he was asked the question of, is this a turning point for a lot of people with their health and fitness, where we focus in about how healthy we are in such circumstances as these? And his point was that the body wants you to survive, basically. We've got trillions of gut bacteria, we've got more viral and bacterial cells in our body than we have human. In fact, we're just a collection of a lot of other cells than we call human, so to speak. And they're all looking to survive within us. And this comes down, and this is where the nutrition comes in. We've got to kind of feed this microbiome that is within our body, that's releasing chemicals and sending lots of messages up to the brain. In fact, there's 9 times as many nerve signals going up to the brain, from the tummy than there is going down. And one of the key points that one of my great mentors in the early 2000s pointed out, that half of your immune system is actually surrounding your stomach. And when you think about it, there's a door in and there's a door out. And you kind of think, why would so many white T cells be around my tummy? Well, it's quite simple, really. You've got door in, door out, but nothing's actually administered into your body until it actually passes the blood barrier. And that happens in the intestine, the small intestine. And so what happens is your immune system's got to be very careful in case somebody breaks passport control. So if you suffer from inflammation of the tummy, what happens is the actual gut lining actually opens up, becomes very porous, and invaders can go into your body. So you can understand why half of your white T cells, half of your immune system, is actually located around your stomach. So just think about that for a moment. We're talking about our health, our fitness. There's so many things that we actually do, and so much comes down to the T cells. So much comes down to what we may eat. Basically, we just got to be eating as much whole food as we can, supply nutrition to this unpaid labour force, as Paul Chek would call it, and just, make your meals tasty, keep balance, okay, have some fun food, but listen, your body needs nutrition right now, okay? So we're going to go to bed on time. We're going to reduce toxins, because it's going to reduce stress, because it's going to try and have some fun experiences. But look, please put a little bit of thought into the whole food. And we've heard this many, many times, but now is a time more than ever to invest in some practices that we can carry forward. So I'm going to end it there. Okay, it's food for thought, if you excuse the pun. Have a great evening. I'm just going to go and clap for the NHS now. Just such amazing frontline staff, everyone from the NHS to poor people who are just kind of like driving the buses and driving key workers around, to the teachers that are still going to be having the key workers' children at the school. So listen, I'm going to go and clap for the NHS now. So stay healthy, stay positive.